Good morning, children. Today we will start with Standard 3 Mathematics Lesson 6 Money. Okay. So in this chapter, here you can see it is written, we need money to buy things. Whatever things we have to buy, we need money to pay for them. Okay. So the Indian money, it is available in the form of rupees and paisa. This rupees and paisa we get in the form of coins and notes. Now here you can see some of the coins which we use as Indian money is given, and here are the notes. 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. And the notes what we use, basically nowadays we are using 10 rupees notes, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 and 2000 rupee note. Okay. Now here we have written the symbol for rupee. Now what is the symbol for rupee? It is, you have to write like this. This is your symbol of rupees, and paise are written as small p. Okay. Come to next page, exercise 6a. Here some of the items are given and the cost of these items are written there. Okay. And you have to write the cost of each items, and then you have to add to show what is the total cost. So the first number we will do a cricket bat and a ball. Now can you see what is the cost of the cricket bat? See here it is the cricket bat and the cost is rupees 145. So what we will do, we will write here a cricket bat, it is rupees 145, and a ball, see here written it is rupees 65. So we will write here rupees 65. Now we have to add this. So here you can add rupees 145 plus rupees 65. So you add here 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 here carry 1, 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 it is 11, 1 here carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got the answer as rupees 210. So we can write here as rupees 210. Okay. Now next we will do a teddy bear and a block game. Can you see teddy bear? So what is the cost? It is given rupees 230. So we will write here rupees 230. And what is the cost of block game? So here it is given block games. The block game cost is given is rupees 145. So we will write here block game cost is rupees 145. So we have to add it. So we will write here rupees 230 plus rupees 145. Now you add it. So it will be 5. This is 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 1 3. And you have to put the rupees sign. Don't forget to put the rupees sign. So the answer is rupees 375. Okay. Rest all you will do by yourself. Now how to express money in short form. When we have to write money in figure, we use a small dot to separate rupees and paise. Okay. For example, if you have to write 15 rupees 50 paise, so how we will write rupees 15, then we will put dot, and after that we will write 50 for paise. No need of writing p, because when rupees is written we don't write p. Clear? Then here you can see next question, 140 rupees 43 rupees 75 paise. So what we will do, 143 rupees we will write with rupees sign. So rupees 143, then we will put the dot, and then we will write what is given in paise. So what is given in paise? 75 paise. So we will write after dot 75. Okay. Now see here it is given to express an amount consisting of paisa only. Suppose only paisa is given. So what we have to do, we have to put 0 before dot and write as, suppose it is given 45 paise. So we have to write rupees 0.45. Okay children. Now come to exercise part. Here express the following in short form. Here 75 paisa is written. So now we have learned that if paisa is only given, then we have to put 0. So what we will write? It is to express in rupees. So we will put 0.75. Okay. Now the next question, see, 7 rupees 60 paisa. So with rupees how much we will write? 7. Then we will put the dot to write the paisa term, and it is given 60 paise. So we will write here 60. So it will come as rupees 7.60. Okay. Now see question number 5. Here 40 rupees 40 paise. So what we will write for rupees? Rupees sign is given. We will write there rupees 40. Then we will put the dot to differentiate rupees and paise. Then for paise we will write 40. Okay. Now next it is given 100 rupees 5 paise. So here what we will write? Rupees 100. Then we will put the dot 5 paise. So only 5 paise. So what we will put? Before 5 we will put one 0, so that it will be read as 05. So it is rupees 100.5 paise. Okay. Next rest you will do by yourself. Next come to write in words. How to write? So write in words. First question is given rupees 35.25. We read it as rupees 35.25 paise. So how to write it as? So we'll start with 35 rupees. So we'll write here first 35 rupees 25 5 paise. Okay. Here it is given rupees 3.05 paise. So what we have to write? 3 rupees 5 paise. Okay. Rest you will do by yourself. Let me do one more for you. Rupees 0.95. So we will write it as only 95 paise. Okay. And here you can see what it is written here. We always write paise as a 2-digit number. So when it is 5 paise, it can be written as rupees 0.05. Okay children. Hope you have understood this. So whatever is left, you have to fill it by yourself. It should be done. These two exercises should be done in the book itself.